It's like, it needs to be like 6 inches of maybe
Yeah.
really spraying over it.
Actually, we need to go forward like we're drifting and everything. See the big flake crack? That's your starting canvas right here. Oh yeah, top of this one. And the brush up there, to the left side of the brush, is a side full of junk. The stuff below is